So when you use salt for 3 days, this is how to use salt for 3 days, and you see what will happen. People will gather to celebrate you. People will gather to rejoice with you. What is that thing that you are expecting? Do you need a particular thing in your life? So this is the time to receive your blessing. Do this and you see so many doors open, breakthroughs here and there. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how to make use of salt in these ways to overcome evil, to open doors, to get rid of evil, stopping your blessings. After this, you will testify. So you have to use it for this number of days, okay? Do not stop. 3 consecutive days, like use today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, like without stopping, without leaving any day. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual tips on this channel. Check out other videos of my spiritual tips that will help you. You will see that every video is powerful. Doing them with faith, believing that God will hear you and pass through those things to be a blessing to you. You see things working amazingly, just like a magic. So I want to let you know that I don't do spiritual work. So anywhere you see somebody using my name, my image, telling you to bring money, know that the person is a scammer. I don't sell any spiritual item. Beware of scammers. And God bless you. I know some people will not know the benefits of salt, spiritual benefits of salt. So salt is for cooking, is for adding taste to our meal, but it can also help spiritually a lot. Like a lot. Spiritual controls physical. Like everything is mainly spiritual. Something will happen in the spiritual realm before it manifests physically. That is it. It will happen before it starts showing in the physical realm. So salt is a way of getting rid of evil. It gets rid of obstacle. It gets rid of affliction. You can use it as a cleansing method, adding with something else, or you can use it alone to cleanse your space, to get rid of negative energies, to get rid of dark forces. But with faith, of course, you will not just use salt and be doing, just like that, or be praying without faith. Even if it's just prayer without using salt, prayer works. Without using salt, only prayer with your faith can do all things. So I'm just trying to tell you that salt helps to get rid of evil. It banishes evil from your environment, making that space holy. It brings healing. It cleanses your space and brings healing. It brings luck. It makes you lucky. It boosts luck. Like if you are expecting any good thing, you can use it in different ways. It removes evil eye. Anybody monitoring you, anybody planning evil, it gets rid of it. It removes blockage, obstacles, like I just said. So another good thing about it is that after removing all this evil, it will now bring good things to one, like opening doors, breakthroughs, prosperity. Good things will start coming. You have to cleanse your space. You have to get rid of negative energies for positive ones. Good things to start coming your way. And that is what it will do by the grace of God. So without inviting the power of God in it, it will not work. Faith and the power of God goes together to make this to start working for you. Though I've said it in so many videos of my life, I'm just explaining again, and this is somehow different, okay? So continue watching this video. So get salt, place some quantity in your pan, okay? Then you have to pray with that salt. Say your intention. First, you have to tell God to have mercy upon you. Invite the power of God. Cleanse your space. Tell God to forgive your iniquities anywhere you have wronged him, knowingly or unknowingly. Of course, mean it from your heart. Be very serious about it. Let it be straight from your heart, so that God will have mercy and forgive you before you start doing this. After that, then you have to invite the power of God. Tell God that you need the power of God to flow into this. That you cannot do it alone, of course. You need the power of God to flow, to make this to work for you, at removing evil from your space and welcoming good things. Tell the power of God to flow in, and also believe that it's working already. Put salt in your palm, add a little, just about 1 tablespoon. Then start praying. Okay, start inviting the power of God. Tell God that you need negative energies to leave your space. that I want good things to come to you. Let all bad things be gone and be gone forever. Anybody monitoring you, let that evil eye be destroyed. Pray. Say your intention, okay? Tell God what you want. If you desire anything, tell God. Are you having some sickness or diseases? Pray to God for healing. You can use salt in different ways, like I said. You can add it in water. Pray with it. Seek the power of God to flow into this and make it become holy, at destroying evil, at healing. You can add in water, using it to cleanse your, to have your bath. You can sprinkle on your environment to remove evil. You can also use only salt to just rub on your hands, or you add little water just to form a paste with it. Rub your palm to make you lucky, to bring luck to you. You can sprinkle around your environment, not in the middle of your house. Do not mix with water. Just sprinkle on the four corners of your house to get rid of negative presence. Anything causing evil in that space should get out. Reason why I'm repeating this video somehow is because of the 3 days. Do this for 3 days straight without stopping. Any method you are using, if you just want to sprinkle around the corners of your house, make sure the next day remove it and trash it out. Pack it out and trash it. Then the next night, if you have to do it again, remember it's 3 days. Place at the corners of your house, but you have to do it 3 days, and make sure anytime you do it, the next day pack it out. If it's easy to have your bath, claim blessings upon yourself and thank God for the prayer answered. The next day repeat it. The upper day repeat it for 3 days without stopping. With faith, you see testimonies coming in. Evil will depart from you. If you desire any good thing, do this. That one of placing it around the corners of your house is for those that want to remove negative presence. You want to remove wishes, attack, or if you feel unusual, if you feel that there are afflictions in your house or your office, but you must remove it the next day. Anytime you want to do the next time, place it a fresh one. Okay, so these are some different ways to get rid of negative energies, open doors, and make good things to start working powerfully. Good things will start coming your way. If you desire a very good job, a lucrative job, pray with faith, it will come your way. If you are going out, you can use salt water to have your bath. Of course, not just a little water. Add a little salt into your bath water. Pray and believe that God has answered your prayer. You see it happening just like a magic. You see so many good things coming your way. So this is the end of this video, okay? Remember to subscribe, like this video, and also share it. I will see you in my next video.